So this is a 2002 evap canister for Hyundai Sonata, and now we are running into another problem whereby the 2005 Hyundai Sonata canister has this extra hose. So for us to fix it, 2002 comes with this little extra guy that is just like an evaporation and a little filter that goes into outside, but it's connected into this line that is returning line that is going to the atmosphere. And after the gas evaporation, gases have gone through the canister, some excess gas might go back through this big guy, and these are the ones that brings in the gas extra one return. And this is like a switch that stops the gas from coming in when you're not using your vehicle. So this lane here comes out to the atmosphere and it should go to this little filter. But 2005 they have a different model whereby this line just goes into another line that goes into the engine for some reasons I don't know why. So that's how to do it. We have to open this one. This is the old one. Just cleaned it up. It's just a little like your lawnmower vacuum, your lawnmower filter. So it will go in this space, and then we'll connect this line that was in 2005 vehicle, a Hyundai Sonata, and then we'll be able to take it back to 2002 model canister, and you should be able to install these other three lanes without a lot of problems. And that's the difference between 2005 gas evaporation canister and 2002 gas evaporation canister. This thing, once it gets hold, it you'll see things like rat poop or maybe a rabbit poop, but it means it has kind of broken some of the filters that are inside, and now they're just coming out loose. And the new one, everything is clear. So we are going to take off this thing and be able to fix it. Thank you for watching.